Hey folks, Jeff Martin here, the Carport Motor Company, 929 Main Street, Blackshear, Georgia. Y'all, Test Drive Tuesday is the day you get in a car, you get to ride it, you get to check it out, and you can all do it from the comfort of your own chair. So this is easy peasy. This is a great day to be alive and to be watching this great video. Hey, talk about greatness, we got a great car. We got a Toyota Venza. You know what, Jeff, I wondered, what does the name Venza or the word Venza mean? And really, you know what they did in Toyota? They took two words and put them together. Venture and Monza. And Monza is just some region in Italy. Random, I guess. But either way, they put those words together and came up with Venza. So that's what Venza means. But Venza means great deal here at the Carport Motor Company. Whoop, whoop. Okay, look here. 2009 Toyota Venza, 75,644 miles. Well, we just did a little bit of a run with it, but either way, it's a little bit more. You've got no bangs, blemishes, problems, no crack in that fog light down there, but who's looking? All right, it's good to go. It still works. Everything's great, okay? So nice all the way around. Your panels, you don't sit there and have a whole lot of blemishes. As a matter of fact, there's really no scratches on the panels. There's just a little scratch here on the back bumper. Good rubber on your tires. Real good rubber. I mean, look at that, Jeff. It's almost like they're new tires. And wide, look how wide that thing, man, that's like a tiger paw. Wow, all right, get down, hug the road, get rid of the water. Boom, that'll do it, okay? Now, on the inside, y'all, it's a cupcake. It's a cream puff. I mean, look at this. There's not stains, there's not cigarette burns. I mean, that inside looks like it's brand spanking new. Like a baby's bottom, nice and easy and soft, okay? So look at this right here. So, well, I guess a baby's bottom may not always be the best thing to compare to because sometimes they're nasty, but not this one, okay? However, look at this. I like this. Got a nice deep cup. You got a deep cup holder right here, so, you know, if they had drinks. But I can tell you right now, there were no kids in that back seat. Believe me, I raised four of them, and they demolished my back seat. This one, no kids in that back seat, none. All right, now look at this. I like this back cover. This back cover right here, it's a hard plastic, but there's no scratches. I'm telling you, I don't think they ever used the dadgum back of the place. There's anchors back here to be able to secure baby seats or children's seats and that kind of stuff, all right? And then, of course, let me show you up in here. You've got your spare tire right here. And then here's your jack right there. Look how easy it is to access the jack. I mean, this is a Venture that is from Monza. Either way, it's the Monzastic. That'll work. All right, nice storage area so you can put reflection flares, that kind of stuff, just for emergencies and that kind of thing. Now, I really like these little door handles that are on each side because watch this. Hit that little baby and hit that little baby. Bang, you're down. Okay, you're down. All right. Now it's down, but it needs help getting back up. Just like that little old lady. All right. Now this right here, look at a little Cyclops right there. Man, it's got a nice bright third light. So I mean, it looks slick as a button. So again, the only thing would be a few minor scratches down back here on your rear bumper, and that's pretty well it. Because no story to tell on the side other than it looks gorgeous. It looks beautiful. Look at the side panels. No dents, no dings. All right, I mean, it's really, really nice. No scratches either. So it's all set up really nice for you. I mean, you can't beat it, can you, Jeff?
I can't beat it.
That's nice. Hop in that thing.
Very nice.
I'm gonna fix these things real quick. Oh, hey, wait, show this, Jeff. Don't you see on the back seat? Show the backs of the front seats. You don't have scratches on those either. That's, again, a sign that you've had kids in there. There'd be some scratches, blemish, nothing. I'm telling you, this thing was baby. This thing was baby. All right, then on the inside here, several things I want to show you. Obviously, you've got your look at that wood grain finish. It's not actually wood grain if you look really close. It's like it's carbon fiber. Isn't that pretty neat? Carbon fiber, but either way, it's brown. And then, of course, your windows, your locks and whatnot. Here's your mirrors, anti-skid, so that if you end up getting in snow, bad rain, or whatever else, you got that. All right. So, again, right here, There's no lights on the dash. Let me put my seatbelt on so that the back quits blinking at us. All right, so no lights on the dash, and 74,646. So we went 2 miles just a while ago, Jeff. But either way, and then of course up front here, you've got, you know, right up in there is your display showing your temperature gauge as well as what your air conditioner set up. I like the dash. The dash is a different material. It's not a cloth. But it's not like this stiff, hard plastic either. But it's kind of a rubber material.
It's got texture.
Yeah, man. The light effect here on this is quite interesting. But of course, up here on this panel, stereo, easy to work, great. You got dual air control. I mean, this is an automatic, so you don't have to worry about that. Little cubby hole here to hide some of your I don't know what all that would be. What you put in there? I guess change. Oh yeah, I guess that's what you do. And then of course, watch this. Show them, Jeff. Look at that. Look at that. Look how deep that cubby is. What, you think that's all there is? No, there's more. So watch this right here. Boom. I just moved that back. So I've got more space in this 2 deep console storage areas as well. Then you've got your aux cord and then your cigarette lighter that's right there. So, and then of course you can put reading glasses, chains, whatever else you want there. And those are nice deep cup holders. So I really like those. And you know what? As far as cup holders, I mean, you've got 2 here, you got 2 there, you got 2 over there, you got 2 in the back. I mean, that's what 2, 4, 6, 8. Who do you appreciate? Venza! Okay, all right, so let's keep going. All right, so listen. Oh, I didn't even show. We've got the audio controls here, and then of course it's got satellite radio. And so, hey, you buy a car from us, we're gonna bonus you some satellite radio in the deal. I'll kick that in for you, okay? So you'll be able to enjoy your satellite radio. I mean, listen, if it's got it, use it. All right. Now this thing has got a lot of pickup. I'll lay into it. Look at that thing right there. Yep, shifts beautifully. There's no hesitation. Everything goes out. We're at 65 miles an hour right there. I mean, you could have timed it, but I mean, that was pretty doggone quick, wasn't it, Jeff?
It was quick.
I mean, it was good. So, I mean, you end up having nice pickup. The motor's got no skip, no hitch, no problems there. Transmission shifts out beautifully. And here's the other thing. Whenever I test drive a car, I try to see how's the wheels aligned. I mean, are they pretty good? And my test for just checking wheel alignment is when I go to brake, if I let go of the steering wheel, does it drift over into another lane? And so for this one, obviously I always check, but I mean, this one maintains its lane beautifully. There's no side that doesn't go in either direction there. But I've got a car coming up behind me, so I had to make sure I signaled. And he's coming hard and fast. Holy cow! That Hummer, he meant business. All right, but either way, so yeah, it's got, I mean, the steering, everything works just beautifully in this car. Now, y'all, I'm wanting to retail sell this one. I'm trying to retail sell it. Because to be quite honest with you, I mean, it's that nice of a car. I'm not saying that buy here, pay here's aren't, but just be aware, if I do a buy here, pay here on this, your down payment's gonna be high, all right? But just be aware of that, okay? If not, though, we've got a few FDIC lenders who are standby and ready. We've got a local bank. If your credit's got really good credit, bang, they'll be glad to write you some business. If not, I got a couple of other lenders that maybe your credit rating has suffered a little, and you can still get credit and buy the car. And of course, cash is always welcome. We always like and enjoy cash purchases, so that's all available. But I mean, for the price, I mean, I've got this beautiful 2009 with under 75,000 miles. I got this thing priced at like $12,750 plus dealer fees, tax, and title. I mean, you know, that's, gosh, I mean, that is a great price for a car that's barely been used. All right, so I mean, that is all jam up. Of course, now it's not a complete test drive Tuesday. Well, some music. So let's see here if I can listen here and get us another station. Mm-hmm. Yeah, you know what? That radio really picks up a lot. Oh, I gotta watch out. There's a lady coming out. Listen to that. Isn't that something? I'm gonna have a commercial on every stereo. Listen to that. Every channel's got a commercial in it. Oh, this one. Yeah. All right. So listen. The stereo, thing I like. Speakers here in the door, wrap around. I mean, it's got great theater sound to it. So great quality. There's no rattle in the speaker. None. So it's very clean, very clear. All right. So listen, the Carport Motor Company, 929 Main Street, we only have good cars for good people. I mean, I don't sell bad cars. I make sure something wrong with the car, I get it fixed before I sell it, because I want you to be happy with it when you drive off the lot. So you want to make sure you come around here. And let me tell you something, if you're dealing with a dealer who can't name his inventory, you're dealing with too big of a guy. I'm telling you right now, I know what I got on my lot, and I almost name every one of them. This Venza is a venture that is from Monza, I guess. But either way, but it's a great car, so I promise you're gonna like it. Now, we still have a few of those test drive chicken dinners that we'll give you. Okay, it's a $5 fill up from KFC. So come in here, test drive from us. We'll give you a chicken dinner for free, just for test driving from us, all right? So, Carport Motor Company, 929 Main Street. Our telephone number is 912-807-3333. 912-807-3333. You can always check us on the internet at carportmotorco.com. And it's Tuesday, but Sunday's coming, so y'all go to church, all right? God bless you. Talk to you next week.